Hey there, welcome to this Blogger tutorial. It's a step-by-step how to use Blogger by me, Chris Abraham, for my blogging workshop on appliedblogging.org and for the Writers Center in Bethesda. First thing you need to do is you need to go to blogger.com, and it really is just 3 easy steps. Go to create your blog now. Choose a username. Since I can't tell what is available, I'm going to choose a random username. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to choose one that is appliedblogging.org. Enter password, display name, blogging, email address. You don't have to put a real email address. Blogger is the only one that doesn't validate your email. So if you are requiring anonymity, this is a good place to go. And then when you finish that out, click on continue. Great. First, you choose a blog title. I'll call the blog Applied Blogging Workshop, and then I will have the URL, which is going to be appliedblogging.org. In this case, there's a separation between your login name, which has nothing to do with your blog, and the URL of the blog you are going to be making, which in this case would be appliedblogging.org.blogspot.com. I could change it to appliedbloggingworkshop.blogspot.com. I can have multiple blogs under my login name, just for your information. And then I have to do a Turing test by typing in these words, these letters to indicate that I'm human. And then you click continue. Ignore the advanced setup for now. You have a choice of various and sundry templates. This is the look and feel for your blog. They're very basic. I generally choose something very simple. In this case, I'm just going to choose the first choice here, called Minima. Click continue. Creating my blog. How generous. And then I can just start posting. It's as easy as that. Some things you need to be aware of is that it's just like your webmail. In the way you would create a webmail would be to, like Hotmail, is create a useful title such as, "This is my first post as a blogger." And then you can write your blog posting, which is in this case, I am teaching a tutorial on blogging, and this is my online sample. Like webmail and like Microsoft Word, you can highlight a word and you can boldface it. You can highlight a word and you can italicize it. You can highlight a word and you can underline it, which is Control U. Oops. Not in that case. You can also create a list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila. Very easy to use. The hills are alive with the sound of blogging. You can even make quotations and citations using a little quote, and it'll what's called block quote it, indicating that in fact that was a quote. It's as easy to do anything here. Unfortunately, that undid. Let's undo that. And then you can go here and you can go to add image, little image picture. You can browse for an image. on your hard drive. I'll go to My Pictures, and I will upload a baby chick. Choosing a layout which is center. And then I will say whether I wanted the image size to be small, medium, or large, and then I can upload image. So it's as easy to do attachments as it is anywhere in your webmail. It's nice to see how quickly it moves, or how slow my bandwidth is. But when it's uploaded, it should be just in line for you to be able to use it right there. There's several things you need to do next step before we proceed, but really I'm going to make this short. The next episode will be advanced setup and settings for Blogger, because this upload is taking forever, which I find appalling. Let's pretend I didn't do that, and let's just go straight to the chase of publishing. Let's quote that again and publish the post. Now I can view the blog, and there we are. Very simple. More things about me, links, all these kinds of things we can go into more detail later. Suffice it to say, you did it. Right out of the box, you can start blogging today for free, forever. And if you want to edit any of those postings you've made, just click on the little edit post pencil, and you can go right back in there and make your edits. That's the first episode of the tutorial. I hope it's useful. If you want to reach me, I'm at cja@well.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye-bye.